Hi, this is Silvana from AllServiceNow Learning, and today we will cover the reference qualifiers and how to apply a reference qualifier. If you would like to see more content like this, please subscribe to this channel. But with no further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the demo. So what we will do is let's go ahead and go to a change record, and we will go ahead and put a reference qualifier to the configuration item. The configuration item, if we right click, it's the table CMDB_CI. So this field is currently sitting on task table, and the reference table is the configuration item, which is CMDB_CI. So what we will do is currently, as we are looking at it, this particular CI or configuration item, if someone is trying to select the configuration item, they have 2,784 CIs to pick from. Let's say you want to go ahead and put your specific filter on this. How do we do this? Okay, so what we need to first do is go to the table, and just to speed things up, I have already created the filter. So which means I went in the navigator to actually, let's go ahead and just redo it. In the navigator, we will type in cmdb_ci.list, and this will take us to the table. And in this table, we will go to the filter, and let's say we want the operational status to be operational, and the install status, we want it to be is not one off, retired or stolen, so we don't need these on here. And then we want the class to be computer, let's say, or let's say network, or say business service, or business application. So depending on whatever your requirement is, but for right now, for demo purposes, let's say this is what we have. So we're going to run this filter, and this filter is 723 CIs that apply to this specific filter. So what we need to do is go ahead and copy the query here. And what happens is it technically copies the entire filter here, but you have to go, you can't go to this one, you have to go to the last piece of the filter, right click, and go to copy query. Once you copy the query, we're going to go to the original record. So since we are in the change request record, we're going to right click on the configuration item, and we will just apply this filter to the change request. So as previously we saw that this particular CI was able to see 2,784 CIs. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to apply that filter. Since this is on the task table, you do not want to do it here. in this section. You want to leave that alone. But what you can do is go to change request or to any table that you have either listed here or you would like to go to. You will click the new button and then create one if it's now listed. So, but for our testing purposes, we're going to change request. And there is an outer box filter on here already. We're going to remove that to apply our filter on here. So under the reference qualifier, so then we will update it, and it's on the change request table. We'll update this. And now that we've updated it, okay, our dictionary override for change request has been updated. So now we will go back to the record. All right, let's just open the record again. All right, and now if we go back and click the search, now it has 723 CIs, just like our filter did. So, and you can technically do this for any of the reference tables that you need to apply this to. The CI is the most common one that happens. And if you would like to see anything else related to this or any other items, please leave a comment below. Thank you.